Hello, this is a tutorial on 3.1A1. We're going to be writing some algebraic expressions. So if we want 12 more than a number, we have to think that, well, first we have this number, and we'll just use n. Now if you have 12 more than that, it's going to be plus 12. Now I know that you would like to say that this is also true. And because of the commutative property, if we had a value for n, they would have the same answer. But this one here is written differently. This one here is n more than 12. We wanted 12 more than n. So we start off with n, we have 12 more. So there's a slight semantic difference in that. The quotient of a number and 9, well, quotient means division. We just write this like this. The quotient of a number and 9, more than likely on a test you would see it like this. So quotient is the answer to a division problem of n and 9. 15 less than a number squared. So you've got a number squared, and you have 15 less than that. Less means subtract or decreased by. Take a look at 5. 3 more than 5 times the number of dogs. 3 more than 5 times the number of dogs. So let's say that we have 5 times the number of dogs. We'd write that as 5d, or 5 times d, but 5d is the way you'll see it, 5 times the number of dogs. I want to put this in there to remind you that it's multiplication, that's fine. And it's 3 more than that. So here's the 5 times the number of dogs, and here's 3 more than that. Okay? Down here at the bottom, we just simply have to write a verbal expression. We're going to write phrases like up here for these ones here. So this one here we could write as the product, because that means multiplication, of 23 and f. Or you could write it as 23. Actually, you can write the numbers if you want. 23 times f, that would be fine. Over here, number 11. This one's going to be a little bit different. We're going to have to take this number, I will write as 6 decreased by 4 times y, or decreased by the product of 4 and y. Now, yes, you could write 6 decreased by 4 times y. This, using the words product, quotient, sum, difference, these are more mathematical. That's probably what you're going to see on the quiz. I'll take and do one more here. Number 12 looks kind of tough. So you could write this as the quotient quotient means division, quotient of 3 times a number x and 7. You could also write that as 3x, or 3 times x divided by 7. That would work too. Alright, I know this is difficult, but this is what the target is. Sometimes we got to dig in and do it. We'll be doing a lot of this in this chapter.